Hi, my name's Mark and I'm from Napoleon. I'm here to talk to you today about our PT-750 Gemini. So as you can see, this barbecue is one massive barbecue and it is beautiful looking. So we'll start with this side over here. It has a beautiful stainless steel 304 lid, and you can, if you're lifting up this lid, you can feel the weight of it as well. Both lids are 304 stainless steel and they're both double lined. Now the double lined is good for a few different reasons. It is good because it keeps your stainless steel grill looking beautiful. It's not going to discolor on the outside. And the other thing is it's going to keep that heat inside where you need your heat to be. Now also on this grill we have our AccuProbe temperature gauge. Now this temperature gauge is very important. It's an important part of your grill. Now if you're cooking specific foods that require a specific temperature, you want this to be, you need it to be accurate. If you need to be at 325 or 350, you can get it there with playing with your controls, and once it's there you know that it's going to stay there and then it's reading it accurately. Now if we look at these grills also, we have our cast aluminum end caps. Now these are important for a few different reasons. Most important is that it's rigid. So when you lift it up, it's not going to be twisting on you, it's not going to be, moving around. It adds some of that weight that you really want to feel when you pick up a lid, because there's nothing better when your friend or family come over and pick up the lid and go, oh, that's nice, that's a nice barbecue. So that's something that's really, really cool about this barbecue, is that it has that presentation, it has that awe about it. When we lift up the hood, you can actually see we've got solid stainless steel 304 grids. Now these are heavy gauge, and what you'll notice about them is that there's a wave design to them. Now all of our Napoleon grills have this wave design for a few different reasons. First of all, it's obviously something you can tell is a Napoleon grid, but also when you put down your steaks, when you put down your pork tenderloin, more of your food is actually touching the grid, so it's going to sear it, it's going to keep it juicy and taste that much better. Under the grids we have our stainless steel sear plates. Now stainless steel sear plates are important because they're stainless steel, they're enduring those high temperatures. Also, there's stainless steel sear plates all the way across, and it helps give that even heat distribution. So if you're the kind of person who wants to or has tried cooking pizza and bread and know that those are the things that are a little bit tough to cook, you need to have it evenly heated, and that's so very important. And also the stainless steel sear plates are helping keep the juices, your sauces, all your drippings off of your burner, because you don't want anything flaring up, and that's very, very important. Then when we move down below, we have our stainless steel burners. 304 stainless steel commercial grade burners, and we have 3 of them right here. Now from there, if you actually turn them on, you just push your igniter and it lights them and you're good to go. So if you need 1 burner, 2 burner, 3 burner, you're ready to go. Once you have one lit and you actually light it, you don't have to push the igniter again. You turn this one on and we'll actually cross light, which is a really, really neat feature. Now from there, if you look in the back, you can actually see our rotisserie burner. Now, if you're going to be doing rotisserie cooking, you got to remember to take your warming rack off first. So if you're anything like me, you love rotisserie style chicken. I love rotisserie style chicken, and that's what I use this for. It takes about 45 minutes to an hour to do, and you're going to get that delicious, juicy chicken that you're hoping for. And what's nice about it, because you're not using your bottom burners to cook the roast or your chicken or something, you can actually put a pan under it to catch the grease, to catch the drippings. So if you want to make an au jus sauce, or if you want to make a gravy, you're able to use those drippings, and it's not going to be in direct contact with the flame. Now also, if we were to move over to the other side, you're probably wondering what's under this lid. What we have under this lid is 2 infrared burners. Now the Napoleon infrared burners are really, really cool items that you want to have in a grill. Now the reason you want that is because the temperatures that these get up to, just one of them will go from 0 to about 1500 degrees in about 45 seconds. No other manufacturers can say that, and that's something that we pride ourselves on, is that we're the exclusive ones to the Napoleon infrared burners. Now, what generally people like to do with this is where you cook your steaks, this is where you cook some of your higher end meats, your higher end foods. You can do a lot of different things on it. So if I'm cooking steak, I'm a big steak lover. If I'm cooking my steak about 1 inch thick, I'll cook it for about, say, 45 seconds to a minute per side. And I may even do a little crisscross each time, so I flip it 4 times. Once it has that nice sear definition into it, then I actually cook it and I bring it over here to a pretty low temperature, and that will actually just finish it off, and you get it to that nice medium or medium rare, whatever you prefer. So, and the same thing with this side is that you have your stainless steel warming rack, you've got your stainless steel grids, and you don't have sear plates in this because it's your infrared burners. So it is an all-around machine. It does everything you need it to do. If you're big in entertaining, this is the ultimate grill for that because you have enough room for everything you want to do. Now if we move over to our side shelves, you can see it's got a few different functions on it. First off, it has a place for your drink, for your condiments, for anything there that you need to just put down. It also has your range side burner. So now this is good for boiling water, vegetables, you know, that kind of stuff. So you can actually turn it on right here, push your igniter, and it's going to light, and you're going to be able to do anything that you want on your side burner. It also has some tool, you can hang your tool sets, you can hang your tongs, your spatula, your brush. There's 3 on each side shelf. So the other side shelf is great for if you want to hang a little bit more, if you have something else to hang, if you have more tongs, if you have more accessories, and if you need to put something down, it's a perfect spot over there. From there, we're going to move to the cart, and what you can actually see is the wheels on this unit. It's something that's just a little bit different than what you'll see in most barbecues. The tires that we actually have on it really give it that almost even an old school look to it. It's something that people don't see very often. Not a lot of barbecues actually have the rubber tire wheels on. So now if you look at our stainless steel doors here, you open up your stainless steel and you can see there's a lot of room for putting whatever you need. If you have your wood chips, if you have extra tool sets you're not using, if you have anything, you can put it in here without a problem. Now this is a specific natural gas model that we have. If it was a propane model, there'd be a place for your propane tank as well. Now one other really neat feature with this is that there's a warming tray. So if you're cooking for a lot of people and you don't want to bring out just a little bit of food at a time, you can actually put your buns or you can put something that you've already cooked to keep it warm right in here. Not a lot of barbecues have this. This is really designed for the person who is entertaining all the time. They have a big family, they have friends, they really want to impress somebody. It's an ultimate grill. And now what's really, really cool about this grill, all the way around, stainless steel. So everything you see about this grill is stainless steel. It's meant to last you a long time. It's meant to be a grill that is people are going to be impressed on, and it's going to be something that you're going to be proud of for not just 1 or 2 years. You're going to be proud of this for 10, 15, 20 years. So that is our PT-750 Gemini. Thanks for watching.